Oh yeah, good evening. We are live via Temper Crypto TV. Welcome back. Uh, welcome back. We are live here. What we just have to do, invite your friends. Just smash that button, invite button. Just share it with your people, share it with your group, share it with your friends. Tell them we are live via Empire Crypto TV. We are live today. And of course, in the comment section, do mention your area, do mention your city where you're watching this live broadcast from. Tell us where you're coming from. Let's engage, guys. Let's talk. We are live. My name is Alson Mabena, aka the Crypto King. All right, we are live today. We've got an interesting topic that we'll be discussing, something that we'll be talking about. And of course, I've got a guest that I'm waiting for, and hopefully will be here anytime soon. So I've got a guest that I'm waiting for shortly, and they will be here anytime soon. So yeah. In the meantime, let me just be checking the markets. Let's be talking about the markets. Let's see. Let's see what's happening in the market. All right, welcome, guys. Do say something on the comment section. Let's engage. Let's talk. Where you watching this live broadcast from? Let's talk, guys. Let's greet each other. Say something on the comment section. All right, I see people are sharing. People are sharing. Keep sharing this live broadcast, guys, so that as many people can come to this live broadcast and we engage and we talk. Let's share this live broadcast, guys. All right, I see Charles. All right, Charles. Yes, it's unbelievable. Cryptocurrency market is real. Crypto is doing wonders. It's unbelievable. I'll tell you, it's really happening. So yeah, we are live every day here, 7 p.m. We are live. In the meantime, also please hop onto our YouTube channel and subscribe. Go to YouTube and find Empire Crypto TV and subscribe. Once you have subscribed, you always find us live. Whenever we go live, you get a notification that we are live. So do not miss any of these live broadcasts that happens every day. So make sure that you do not miss these live broadcasts. All right. I'm still waiting for the guest, guys. I'm waiting for the guest, and hopefully the guest will be here soon. But in the meantime, let's see what we have on the market. Let's see what we have on the market. Uh, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you for hopping in. Thank you for coming through. We are live. All right. Let me just see what we have here. All right, today's cryptocurrency market prices by market cap. All right, this is our coin market cap, and then these are trending, guys. On this top section on this platform, the trending coins, they will always be on this section. And if you want to check, you can always say more. Let's check what we have when we check more. All right, so these are trending cryptocurrencies at this point in time. So you can see they are trending micro pets. It has done 87% in the last 24 hours. Imagine if we have invested on this coin, micro pets, you would have made 87% of your capital, of your money. In fact, in the last 7 days, it has gone 200%. 200%, guys, from this coin. And we've got Nivanda. which has done 4% in the last 24 hours, which is a 448%. So let's say, guys, you manage to um, learn or got to this coin as early as possible and you invested on this project, you'll be like up by 448% in the last 7 days. You can see, guys, there's so much money you can make in the crypto space if you put your eyes, if you put your ears, and if you put your mind in this market. You can make so much money. So these are top trending coins, top trending projects, as you can see. We've got Dogelon, Mars, which is Elon. It also is pumping very good, it's pumping 6% in the last 24 hours and 64%. And in the last 30 days, guys, it has grown up 1,164% in the last um, 30 days. Imagine if you had invested, let's say, 1,000 rand or 10,000 rands for that matter, you'll be up by 1,164%. Shiba, okay, Shiba. I'm sure everyone here, guys, has been hearing a lot about Shiba. Shiba, you can see it has gone up by 5% in the last 24 hours and 12% in the last 7 days. And of course, if you are to look into Shiba, it's been making a lot of noise. Not only a lot of noise, there are some investors who've made a lot of money on this project, Shiba. Um, there are so many investors who have made a lot of money on this Shiba. It has gone up by 91%. So imagine, guys, you don't have looking at these coins. You don't have to do anything. You just invest. You just buy and hold in their native exchanges. You just have to find where. Like, let me just go to Shiba Inu. Let me just go to Shiba Inu. Yeah, guys, I know some of you are coming for a different topic, which is verification. The one that we posted, we're still waiting for the guest. The guest is still yet to come so that we can continue. But in the meantime, let me be taking you through the market so that you understand how the market operates, how these coins are pumping. We are in the middle of a bull run. Things are happening. Right, Shiba's guys, Shiba in, as you can see, it's got a 0.0000005. All right, as we keep on eating these zeros, your investment is growing. As we keep on eating these zeros, guys, your investment is growing. Right, this is Shiba. Like I said, you just have to come here if you want to find out where this Shiba is being sold. Um, you just come here on the market, click on market here. Right. Once you are on the markets, these are platforms, exchanges where you can find this project Shiba, where you can find this coin token Shiba. You can see here you find it on Binance, which is one of the biggest exchange, Coinbase exchange, Huobi Global, KuCoin, Get.io, FTX, Uniswap, Coinbase, Poloniex, uh, Bitfinex, KuCoin. You can see, guys, you can find this project in many exchanges. What does this mean? When you find this coin on these exchanges, it means it's doing really well because you can see exchanges like Binance, they don't just list anything. They verify projects. They look into those projects with a keen eye. They don't just accept anything to their platforms. So you can see Shiba is listed on different big exchanges. So it's a plus. It's a plus. It's a plus. It's a plus. And how does it help Shiba to be listed on so many exchanges? It helps it with the volumes, trading volumes. It means Shiba project or Shiba token will be traded in different project, in different exchanges, in different platforms, increasing its volume and increasing its price, because if it's exposed, if it's traded on these big exchanges, it's exposed to bigger markets, bigger popularity, bigger communities, and then the price goes up. It tends to go up because of its trading volume, supply and demand. So with supply and demand, it will definitely go up in value. It will definitely go up in value. All right. So this is what we call um, checking projects whether, and of course there is let me see if this thing is all right. Let me go back. Let me just show you something. All right, we're still checking the trending coins that are trending. We've got so many of them. Some are just projects starting. But guys, I must warn you that you must be very careful not to invest on shit coins, on coins that do not have value, coins that do not have use cases. Because, I mean, there's so many of these coins that are are coming up, and every day these coins are being created every day. So you might find out that you end up investing um, because of popularity, because of peer pressure, because of FOMO. You end up investing on projects that will not survive longer. So be very careful, guys. Some of these coins, some of these projects, just invest on them for a very short period of time. When they pump, they go up. Like let's say you invest on this pawn rocket. I wonder why I chose this one. But let's say you invest on this project, which has done 125%. If we are up by 125%, just if you don't trust this project, if you are not really sure about this project, you just have to make that 125% and exit this project. Take profits. Go find other go find other projects. Go find something else which is real. So if you find these projects that are pumping, just get in, make some money, take profits, and go find projects like Ethereum, projects like Bitcoin, projects like BNB, projects like Polygon, Matic, projects like Solana. Those are real projects that will be here for a long time, that have survived all these bear markets. Understand? Because there are so many other projects, guys, that you can actually look into. But trust me, I've been here. I've got projects that I saw back in 2016, 2017. They're no longer there on CoinMarketCap. They're no longer there on exchanges. Every day we get emails from these exchanges notifying us that they are delisting some coins. What's the purpose of delisting some coins? It means those coins do not have value. Those coins are not really active. In fact, platforms, they tell us that we are delisting this coin because it doesn't have community. That's the language that they use. They tell us that we are delisting this project because it doesn't have community. Of course, if a project doesn't have, remember, guys, there are more than 7,000 cryptocurrencies and tokens that have been created in the space. So 7,000, not all of them, of course, will stand the test of time. Most of these ones, they will fall away. So make sure that if you are invested on a coin that doesn't offer anything, just take some profits. But what I love about this loop ring, I think I've got this loop ring in one of my portfolio. Wow, I will check into this. We've got it in one of our portfolio. Wow. It has grown up by 198%. That's massive. 795% in the last 30 days. Wow, this is massive. We've got one. I've got this coin in one of my portfolio. So I'll look into it. I'll look into that portfolio. Wow, wasn't really. And the other coin, guys, that has done really well this week, it's BNB, Binance Coin. This is a gem. This is a gem, guys. If you have got a portfolio that doesn't have this coin, your portfolio is a joke. Your portfolio is a joke. So we must always have BNB. Look what it has done. 14% in the last 7 days, 44% in the last 44 in the last 30 days. Um, uh, just 2 weeks back, last week, the price was 500 and something, 530, 550 US dollars. Now it's 628 US dollars. In fact, it went as far as let me just share. Let me just check and show you how much it went as far as. Right. It went as far as. I just have to reduce here so that I can access here. All right. The highest that it has reached is it's 690. That's the highest it has reached, 690 US dollars, which was in May 10, 2021. All right. Um, all right. And then in the last, I want to show you how much it went as far, especially this week. In the last 7 days, this coin went as far as 669 US dollars. Imagine 660. In fact, in the last 30 days, it's been trading at 430. That's the minimum. It went down to 434 US dollars. And then the last 90 days, which is 3 months ago, it was 320 US dollars. So it has doubled up from 320 US dollars to 628 US dollars. That's double. And fun enough, guys, you gotta love this. You gotta love this. In the last year, 52 weeks, this coin was trading at $26. Just $26. Imagine from $26 to 628 US dollars. That's massive gains. Let's say you invested, you bought as many of these coins at $26 and now selling them at 628 US dollars. That's massive gains. That's a lot of money. So this is what we're talking about, that this market can actually amaze you. There's so much potential in this market. You just have to find those gems, those good coins, quality coins, especially if you want to invest long term. Remember what I said? I said shit coins or coins that you do not trust, but you want to make money, quick money in a short period of time. Just get in, they pump 100%, 200%, you get some profits, you exit, take some profits, exit that project, and invest your money in good projects like BNB. You understand? So you don't have to keep your money in those um, very unreliable projects, but you can actually trust the projects like BNB. These are reliable projects. All right, let's check again. Let's see if we can have another project. Um, all right, Solana. Okay, Solana has been doing really well. Um, this is a real project. Cardano, ADA. These are real projects, guys. These are projects that you can trust them to keep your money. You can have your money on these projects. They've survived bear market. They've survived a lot. They've been there. I've seen them throughout all these bear markets, but they still come up top. They don't just disappear. And what I love is the um, activities behind these projects. The management is very much busy. These projects are being developed. So much is happening behind these projects. It's not just a coin to say, okay, there is a coin. It's called Cardano. It's on the market. People are just buying and selling. No, there are some projects happening behind these coins, and it's very much busy. The owners, the project managers, they constantly update people on the progress of the projects. They constantly tell us what are they releasing, who are they partnering with, what are the new systems that they are partnering with. So you get to have that trust that these are project managers who are actually having that dream, that vision, that vision. And when they are having that vision, Tina, we invest. Us, what we do, we invest. We just buy those coins, as many as they are. Just keep buying those projects. Just keep buying those coins. And then they will amaze you. And then they will amaze you in the long run. All right. Let me see. Ethereum also. It's one gem. It's one gem, guys. Ethereum. You mustn't have a portfolio that doesn't have Ethereum. It crashed, it smashed the all-time high this week of 4,800 US dollars. 4,800 US dollars. This coin is coming from 300 US dollars. Yeah, all right. Let me just check for you. Let me just give you um, an overview so that you don't say I'm cooking these numbers. I'm not cooking these numbers. All right, all-time high of Ethereum, which happened November 10. That was yesterday. November 10, it went as far as 4,859 US dollars. All right, let's check. Um, in the last 52 weeks, which is a year, guys, this coin was at 440 US dollars, 440 US dollars a year ago. And in the last 90 days, which is 3 months ago, it was 2,676, 2,676 US dollars in the last 3 months. All right, 30-day, um, it's 3,417 US dollars. Okay. And then now, in the last 7 days, um, it it's been trading at 4,334. All right, guys, looking at where it started in the last year at 440 US dollars. If you bought there, maybe bought 10 of them, now they will be worth 4,700. That's a good money, guys. There is no other market that can give you these good coins and these good projects. All right. I see there is a question here from Ndumiso. All right. What's your word of advice about the Shiba Inu coin? All right. I've got someone that is going actually who's heavily invested on this project, and I want her to respond to this. Crypto Cindy,
Hi, hi, hi.
there is a question here. I know you've got a bag of Shivas that
Yes,
you bought
yes,
earlier this year when you sold? Is that you sold your XRP and converted
yes.
to Shiba in? And there's your friend here on the screen wants to know about Shiba in. Is it a good project? Must they take profits now and exit,
No,
or they must just keep holding? What's happening about around this project? Can you say?
currently, currently the best advice I would give when it comes to the Shiba Inu coins is hold. If you can buy more, you can do so. It's still early days. So we are still going to be making huge profits on this project. As we've seen, we've recently lost a zero. We are going up. I see there on the market cap currently, just in the past 24 hours, we are sitting on a positive 8.64%. So it is still doing very, very good. Where else can you get so much profit, guys? Just in 24 hours, where can you get 8%? So it's still a very good project. Hold, buy more if you can. We are holding for the long run. That's the best advice I can give for Shiba.
All right, but these coins they get pumped, isn't it? This sort of pump and dump. I see there are some celebrities that are involved that pump this project. Are you not really worried that it could be one of those pump and dumps, like Elon always do, when you feel bored? When you feel bored. Remember, there was a tweet when Bitcoin started doing well, someone was like, don't don't start again. They was tweeting to Elon Musk like, you see, Bitcoin is doing well. Don't start your stuff again.
Yes.
So
No,
don't you
but
think?
remember,
Yeah.
what is happening in the crypto space, not only with Shiba Inu, but with we always saying that the crypto market is very vulnerable and stuff. So we cannot say just with Shiba Inu because people are pumping it, it means that it's going to be a pump and dump. That's the whole, it's affecting the whole crypto market. We've seen if there's news about something happening in China, we see the market shaking. That doesn't mean that it's being dumped. So I still believe in this project heavily, irrespective of who's pumping it, who's dumping it tomorrow. We've been hearing stories that there are big whales who are buying so much and they want to dump us. And but no ways, guys. Whatever you can afford to buy with whatever amount you can afford to buy Shiba Inu, you can do so. Do so, and don't worry, guys.
All right, no, great stuff. Look, I mentioned the other day, I posted something on Facebook. I said, if you think or believe Bitcoin has gone up, the price is expensive now, you can still have a chance, especially when looking at Ethereum. Ethereum is number two project after Bitcoin. So Ethereum is still very much affordable at just below 5,000 US dollars. You can still buy Ethereum, and it's still gonna be very much expensive, just like Bitcoin. So if you missed Bitcoin, if you think Bitcoin is gone, if you did not really get involved on Bitcoin, there is another project you can get involved on, which is Ethereum, guys. Get involved on Ethereum, buy Ethereum, make money on Ethereum. Just buy and um, and hold hotly on your account. Um, You understand? So Ethereum
Yes.
is one project which is also good. All right, let me just go back and check. I don't think our
I think there's a
guest.
problem with our guest because you
Yeah, I
see
think
he
his
is
internet is
here,
not really
but he's
good.
yes, he's
Yeah,
buffering.
yeah, the internet is not really good, and yeah, look, it's not gonna really happen. It's not gonna really happen. Um. All right. Okay, biggest gainers. Now, let me go to biggest gainers. I was actually looking into the trending coins. Let's look into the biggest gainers. Check what's happening. Biggest gainers, Husky. Husky, in the last 24 hours, It's been trading at, it's been going up. It's gone up by 1,999%, which is 2,000%.
Imagine.
Wow. Wow.
You see,
That's,
these dog names are doing wonders.
yeah, look, it's really happening. Pancake games, and it has gone up by 1,150% in the last 24 hours. And then we've got Green Moonzilla, which is also 398%. Um, all right. Yeah, this dog. Do you think this meme market is gonna stand the test of time? Is it real market or something? I mean, there are a lot of these coins that are being created. Are they all real? What's happening with these meme coins?
Oh, there's so many. I'm looking at one now right there on your screen. I think that is number 4060. Shibanchu. That's a small Shiba. Oh, guys. There is just
uh,
so much. The best thing to do, as we always say on this show, is make sure you do your own research. Do your own research. Make sure you understand the projects behind it. Don't just run after it because you like the icon, because I like dogs, so I'll be buying all the ones with the dogs, or I like the colors. So make sure you understand the projects, you understand who the people behind that project are, and what other projects are they involved in. We've also been seeing a lot of colorations in terms of tokens and coins. So always make sure that you know which other companies are those people working with what is going on in the long run. Do you believe in that project? So I think that is the best thing to do.
all right. There's this question that you raised. It says from next week, could you see if one of the tokens that have invested a lot of money in a good project or not? You just have to write here so that we can see those tokens, those projects. We can scrutinize them, we can check them
Yes.
up. But yeah, look, you need to really do a thorough investigation before you invest in projects, because it's no use you put a lot of money in projects that are gonna disappear. So you need to um, you need to really be sure of the projects, because guys, as much as people are making money in this market, there are people who
Yes.
are investing in a hell of a lot of bad projects, and those people are not gonna really make money. You find that people are investing in projects that are not gonna really go up. When everyone will be excited, everyone will be like, "I've made money." It's more like it's a situation where everyone is excited, guys. We've made money on this project. We've made money on this coin, and you look into your portfolio, nothing is changing, nothing is moving. It's because we have invested on the wrong projects. There are more than 7,000 coins, guys. So be careful. Not all of them are moving up, and
Yes.
obvious, I understand it's really hard to um, pick the winning projects. So you just have to be around the winning people, people who are actually talking the walk, people who are really giving good signals, people giving good projects, um, people giving good projects. So you must be very, very, very careful on um, what you invest in. All right. Okay. Currently, the market, guys, is it took a little bit of a knock because of there is a situation in China. It's called Evergrande. Let me just see if I can pull it up. Let me just
And I
see.
remember we spoke about it. I think it's a few weeks ago, whereby
Yeah.
we were seeing everything like most of the coins and tokens were actually on the red, and people were worried and people were asking, is crypto going down? Are we supposed to take our money and run? And I remember we had a show about it whereby we were telling people what was going on. And as we always say in the crypto market is yes, there are times whereby the market will not be in our favor, but we always see that as an opportunity for people that want to enter, or people who want to buy more, to actually take advantage of such situations. And I remember when we spoke about it, it was people that were fearing that this company was actually bankrupt. And this is a huge company. It's a company that actually does bonds, if I can remember well. So it's quite a huge company and it was not doing well. And people had then overheard, or there were rumors around it that it would be shutting down. So people had to run and get their money. So that didn't only affect the stock market, it also affected our cryptos. So people were just in a rush everywhere because of the situation in China. We were all shaken. And now again, we're seeing the same situation is happening. So they've given out more news now, more relevant news, unlike the previous rumor that was still we're not sure about. So the Crypto King will be telling us more about what is happening now with that company that we are now seeing. Not all coins are affected, but most coins in the crypto space are affected.
Yeah, look, these are situations that obviously the market is not immune to such
Mm.
fundamentals. So the cryptocurrency market gets moved by fundamentals and technical analysis. You know, fundamentals that do, I mean, change how the market, the outlook of the market. When there are bad news, negative news in the space, the market tend to also react accordingly. Obviously, if there are also good news, of which we had a lot of good news in the past, the market tend to really play accordingly. So yeah, currently this is the situation. And as you can see, the market is taking a little bit of dump, but I think by tomorrow the market will be back up. There is this news that didn't really shake the market that much. You could see the market is still in a bullish mode because this was just a small correlation. It was just a small, hit, but it didn't really do much, especially on other coins. It was just those few coins that retraced a bit, but the whole market is still very much alive, very much positive. So if you are to look into different coins, can see they're still very much alive, very much positive. Um, there's nothing to worry about. It's just those 8-10% negative. Yeah, so it's nothing to worry about. This market, look, it's November now. It could happen that
Yes.
this market does what it did in 2017. In 2017, by this time, this market was actually moving up, and by December, it went to all-time high. I remember this. The Bitcoin went from 3,000, US dollars to 19,000 US dollars within a very
Imagine.
short period of time. 19,000 US dollars, which was the all-time high by then. Um, and yeah, December was a great December. 2017 December, it was a great one in the crypto space. So we are likely to see the same scenario playing around here. We're likely to see same thing happening in this market this time around. So the bull market is still very much alive. There's still so much money to be made. You just have to find those gems I spoke about earlier. Find those coins that have got potential to 5x, 10x, 100x. Yeah, oh yeah, where
Yes.
it's very much
We're waiting
possible.
for
So
thousand. We're waiting for 1,000x on the Shiba Inu.
so you
We're
just
just
have to.
waiting, waiting for it to just hit $1, not more than that, just $1. It's highly possible. We've seen Bitcoin doing wonders. No one actually told us that one day what is it, 2021, in 2021, November, we will be seeing the Bitcoin price above 1 million. No one, no prophet guys told us that. No one, no one, no one. It was all because people believed in the project that decided to hold on for so long. Some of us were not sure. We started using the money. If we only held on, or if we had a prophet that told us that it was going to be happening, we would be multi-millionaires currently at this stage. So if Bitcoin is able to do so, what can stop other good projects?
I mean, tell me, do you have that story close by where the New York City mayor, is it mayor or councillor, that is prepared to take his salary in bitcoins, and it looks positive and very much backing the cryptocurrency market?
I can get it quickly while we're online here.
Okay, just bring it on before we close so that we close on it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please, what you just have to help us out with is go on to YouTube channel and find Empire Crypto TV. Then you can subscribe. Go on to YouTube channel and subscribe. YouTube channel and subscribe. All right, this is what you just have to do. All right, you
Okay,
just
I have it
subscribe.
here. Sorry.
Yeah, can you share it if you've got it closer, so
Yeah,
that
I just
we
want to
can
share
close
my
on it?
screen. Just want to share
All
my screen
right.
quickly with you guys.
All right, Dumiso. Hopefully you have got a bag of Shivas. You seem positive and very much energetic on that project. So yeah, hopefully, if it does well, and of course, already people have made a lot of money on that project. All right, can you increase your font so that we can see?
I'm on 300. I think you can see it now.
And now we
Is
can
it
see. Now
much
we can
better?
see. Now, yeah, just go
It's
up
too
so that
much.
we. No, no, just come back to 200.
Yeah, I'm back on 200. There we go. Cool. Okay.
All
There it
right,
is.
New York's new mayor Eric Adams wants his first three paychecks in Bitcoin. This is huge. I mean, in New York, America. I mean, a mayor.
Yes.
It's
Yes,
actually
America.
this is positive. This is really positive. This is a good influence. He's an influencer, of course. He's a public figure, and being a public figure, bringing out, coming out in the open, in the public space, backing the cryptocurrency market. This is gonna be huge. This is a good news.
This
Okay.
is actually very, very big. And now imagine if now one person with such big influence is now wanting their salary to be paid in Bitcoin. Imagine if now it start becoming something like a trend whereby people have now got options. So remember, currently when you're getting employed, people ask for your bank statement, they ask from the letter from the bank. So now if you're getting an option of do you want your salary in crypto or do you want it via the bank? So it now actually just will start making people feel more comfortable being into the crypto space. And I think it'll just make us more rich in the crypto space, basically.
No, absolutely. These are positive news that are coming out of New York City. The new mayor, which is Eric Adams, accepting bitcoins. His first paycheck, he wants it to be in bitcoins. So,
Yes.
and look, how many people are there, and these news are all over the world, all over the internet. Everyone can see. Everyone's taking note. So what's happening is that the cryptocurrency market is going mainstream. So if you are here today getting all this information, make sure that you take action so that when
Yes.
everyone start coming on board, you're already in. Remember, people.
Mm,
There was a post that said every generation there is an opportunity or a revolution to make money, especially
mm,
the early adopters. People who adopted internet, the early adopters of internet, they are now billionaires. Look at guys like uh, Amazon, um, Facebook also. Those are early adopters of internet. and of course they are raking in billions. So we are in a market, in a revolution, and the faster, the
Yes.
sooner we get involved, the sooner we take advantage of this market, the richer we can become, the richer we can be in future. All right. Thank you so much for watching Empire Crypto TV. Crypto Cindy, can you close? Do you have anything? Can you close for us, please?
Okay, thank you so much, everyone, for being on the show with us. Unfortunately, our guest had problems with their internet connections, so he couldn't be here. But we will definitely make sure that we organize something so that people are alert as to what is happening in terms of getting into projects, whether it's crypto, whether it's trading. And then a few days later, when you try to log in, that project is gone or you can't even log in. So these are people that will be helping us in terms of how do you go about finding your money? How do you go about making sure that the projects you are investing in or putting your money in are actually legit? So we will definitely get that through. We will try our best to make sure we get him or anyone from that company who can come and assist us. We all need assistance in that. We all have lost money in projects or in companies whereby we thought they were legit, and 2 days later, they are no go show. There's no show. They are not there anymore. So we definitely need that in the crypto space. We've been hearing a lot of people saying crypto is a scam, mainly because they do not do their research and they are putting money in no go shows or scam companies. So we really need a show that will be telling us more about that. But, anyways, thank you very much for being with us yet again today. We are definitely going to be here tomorrow, same time, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And thank you for your data. Make sure you invite people also to come and watch the show. And as what the Crypto King is always saying to us is crypto was here last year, crypto was here yesterday. It is here today. It will definitely be here in future. So please stay alert. Don't forget to subscribe and we will meet again tomorrow.